इफ आपके पास अगर 0 रुपए होते हैं तो कौन सा बिजनेस बनाते हैं?
Skill driven.
क्या?
Anything like
इफ यू हैड टू स्टार्ट समथिंग फ्रॉम जीरो टुडे और आपके पास कोई पैसा नहीं है, क्या बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हो? और बिजनेस बनाना है
today, I think content creation.
क्यों?
Because I think जब आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो आपके पास सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है, वो हो आप. Okay? And if you can just develop the nuance and the skill to be able to tell your story the right way and either educate or entertain people, then today the opportunity is great as a content creator.
Both can be learned.
Yeah.
पर ऐसा नहीं लगता बहुत सैचुरेशन है?
देखो भाई,
मार्केट तो इतना ज़्यादा हो गया, इतने हर तीसरे इंसान का पॉडकास्ट है, हर दूसरा इंसान कंटेंट क्रिएटर है, किसकी सुनी है?
अब तो शुरुआत है.
Really?
The way I see it is अब तो शुरुआत है. See, look at what is happening in the world right now. Today you have a mother who only restricted her life to a kitchen, having the opportunity to showcase how she's cooking food and then monetizing it. Today you have a working professional who's in a job that he or she hates but can rant about it and people will resonate with it and therefore the brands will go to that individual. So I think it's not a game of कितने हैं, it's a game of क्या आपकी स्टोरी और आपका कंटेंट लोगों को कनेक्ट कर पा रहा है आपसे. If you're able to connect it. Now, there is a definite question about the shelf life. Okay, कि relevance.
दिन तक चलोगे?
कितने दिन तक चलोगे आप? And there is also a definite question. And that's where I think it's not anymore about virality and reach. Okay. But I think it's about creating a unique persona that people want to connect with. They want to watch it. There should be something why people come back to you. I think the virality game is today hackable, but the substance, it could be the substance from a point of view of competence, could be the substance of the story, how engaging it is, how humorous it is, how entertaining it is. So I think you should be able to, if you are able to capture that, and I think the only way to capture that is go more inside out. I think content creation is a fair venture to start with zero. Yeah, like if there are guys on the internet who can throw themselves into slush and garbage bins and make money, then कुछ भी बिकेगा यार.